Hi, welcome back everyone. In today's video, I want to talk about another features from HFU AI that is very good, and that's basically click to add. So basically, this one will take your product video
I love
or
using this
product
face cream every morning.
URL into and turn it into a video. So let's take a look at one of the things that I created using these features. Let's take a look
I
at this
love
video.
my Garmin Instinct. Rugged GPS, accurate tracking, and durable build for all my outdoor adventures.
So I want you to take a look at this particular person. This person is not real. So this is AI generated, and the voice is AI generated, and all this movement over here, all this is all AI generated. Just from one product URL, the product URL doesn't even have this person this person face. So let's take a look, and this is basically the product URL that I'm using. It doesn't have the person face, and it can auto generate a avatar for you. And right now, let me try to do another product demo. I'm going to use Amazon again, and then later on we can use something else. We can see what we want to promote. Okay, if I'm doing let's say a speaker, then we can see what type of speaker that we want to do. Let's find something that has a lot of review. Okay, this one Bluetooth speaker. They have over 30,000 review. Okay, so these are the picture that it's going to use. Does it have enough picture? That's one thing. Okay, maybe I will choose another one because the picture have to be clear enough for the AI to generate this JBL, Jabra or something. Or this one is a computer speaker. Or this one, maybe I will choose this one. Let's take a look at the product image first. So it has quite a few images that's clear. Okay, I'm going to take this one. This is what Harmon Garden, or I don't know how to pronounce this. Okay, so all I need to do is paste my URL over here and then click continue. Basically, to generate, there's 3 steps. Add your product URL, which I've added over here, and then click continue, and then later on I will choose a style, and then I generate the video, and that's it, you're done. So this is how easy it is to use the HiggsField AI, and you auto create an avatar for you, a person for you. And for this part here, it will take about 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so this is what it capture out, the image. Okay, I'm going to leave it as default, and then I'm going to click on continue. From here, you ask me to select a style. So we can choose this one. This one is a default, I believe, simple UGC. And then we can see all the others. Unboxing, no, not really. And cozy morning, what am I promoting? So I'm doing something on speaker. Okay, let's see. Let's generate a product story. Then in this case here, the default is standard. That's going to cost you 38 credit. And then you have all the high and premium. I'm going to generate premium for you to see. And premium will cost 175 credit. So just click on this generate video. So right now I'm done, because the first step is add your product link and then choose your ad style and then generate video. So I'm done with generating the video. All I need to do is to wait. Let me pause the video and come back when this product video is done. So it is say that it will take anywhere from 2 to 10 minutes. And with this feature alone, so now if you are doing affiliate marketing for YouTube, TikTok, or any other platform, all you need is a product URL, and you can do one video in 10-minute time. I mean, the actual work is only one product URL, and then you select your style. The rest of the 10-minute, basically you're just waiting for a video to complete, and then you can upload to your TikTok or YouTube short. So let me come back when this is done.
Easy multi-speaker
Okay, now
Oracast
that
pairing.
the video is done, let's
Experience
take a look.
rich.
Okay, wait. Let me start from the beginning.
Experience rich.
Okay, I think I download the video is better. Let me download this, and then we can watch it, and we can watch it together.
Experience rich, room-filling sound with the Onyx Studio 9, a portable Bluetooth speaker with long battery life, USB charging, self-tuning audio, and easy multi-speaker Oracast pairing.
So if you see the video, now this person here is not real, and in fact everything is not real. Everything is AI generated. Even to the voiceover is all AI generated, but I think this is a very good features.
Rich, room-filling sound with the Onyx Studio 9, a portable Bluetooth speaker with long battery.
So I'm quite satisfied with this. And let me try another one. The next thing I want to do is, let's say iPhone 17 from the official website of the iPhone. So let me go back to this, click to add again, and click to add, and we'll do another one.
I love using this face cream
Okay,
every
this one
morning.
is default from this HFU AI. Let me try this. So this is the iPhone website, and first step is to give it the product link and then click continue. Then you'll try to get all this picture from the website. Then the step 2 is to choose your style and then generate the video. Okay, if this doesn't work from the official website, then we might want to get it from Amazon. If that doesn't work, so if that is not going to work, then we are going to take a product video from this kind of website. But let's see, because let's see if it can generate anything out from this part over here. Okay, I can't remember what did I choose for the style earlier on. So you basically get all this picture. I'm going to click continue. Oh, I'm using product story just now. So right now, let me do a customer review. So the customer review should have a avatar talking about this. And then I'm going to use premium again, and premium will cost me 175 credits. So I'm doing it for you guys here. And let me click generate. So step 3 is done. So how long did it take me? One product link, and then choose a style, and then click generate. It take me less than 1 minute. And the other 10 minutes is basically I have to wait for this to be done. And I'll come back to you in a while.
Light.
Okay, so now this is done.
Battery easily lasts me all day, even with heavy.
Wait a while, let me download this first, and then we can watch it together. Okay, so this is a video.
This A19 chip makes every app open instantly. It's super snappy.
The 48 megapixel Pro Fusion camera takes photos that are unbelievably sharp, even in low light.
I went with the cosmic orange and it just looks so premium in person.
Battery easily lasts me all day, even with heavy.
Okay, the last part over here, because this can only generate 12 seconds.
With heavy.
Let's watch again the last 3 seconds.
Person.
Battery easily lasts me all day, even with heavy.
This A19 chip makes every app.
Okay, the last part over here, even when heavy, and then it just cut off over here. So maybe you have to do some editing and then stop at the 10-second.
And it just looks so premium in person.
Battery.
So just before the battery, maybe you have to cut off. But from here, we can see that this person is not real. And then this lady is also not real. And then we have different people in this particular product video. Everything is not real. So the voices is AI generated. For me, I think this is pretty good. And this is one of the features in HFU AI that can turn a product URL into an actual avatar video. A lot of product to video kind of generation is basically just taking a product and then the avatar is quite those kind of avatar that is right at the bottom left corner talking about it, and then we have the picture moving on. This is real. This is somebody holding the iPhone. So this is in fact one of the best tools. And one good thing about HField AI is that they are always updating new features almost every week. We can see from here, this is new, and then this one, everything, a lot of things is new, even for the image. But most of the time I'm looking at the video part, so everything is new. And one good thing right now is that if you decided to get a plan, right now there's this Black Friday is going on and you can get up to 65%. So if you choose the annual plan for individual, let's go to look at the individual. So the ultimate is what I recommend. If you go for the money plan, that's $49 right now. If you go for the ultimate plan, and this is going to cut you off by 65%, so you can make use of this Black Friday deal and get your 65% off. So with that, I end my video over here. And if you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next video.